Who are you?
Hey,
Excuse me?
what is this?
Um,
What is this?
Robber.
Rubber. When I put the two together, how is it called? Rubber. Huh?
Robber.
Uh-huh.
Don't leave me,
Huh?
don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me.
Jesus! You don't leave me, you. Your mommy. Come here. I can't leave you. Don't leave me, you. Give me a phone. Give me a phone. You go share. You don't leave me. No. Get up. Come here. Say, don't leave me. Come on. Don't leave me. Your mommy. I can't put you. Don't leave me. Phone time.
Taking all the shots for the culture. I go petty on my demons for the culture. So if I can get the money for the.
Please don't leave without subscribing to Boss Comedy. Please subscribe down there. Click the subscription button. Thank you.